Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the best reviews and recommendations for all your favorite products. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary delights with a must-have for any kitchen: McCormick Culinary Seasoned Meat Tenderizer.
if you're like me and you love cooking up delicious, flavorful meals,
then you know that having the right seasoning can make all the difference. And let me tell you, this right here is the best meat tenderizer powder available in the market.
let's talk about what makes this seasoning so special. McCormick Culinary Seasoned Meat Tenderizer is not your average seasoning blend.
It's carefully crafted with a premium blend of enzymes and spices, including paprika, onion, garlic,
and salt, all designed to take your meat dishes to the next level.
Just take a look at this beautiful blend. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. But what really sets this seasoning apart is its ability to tenderize meat like no other.
Whether you're working with beef, pork, or poultry,
a sprinkle of this magic powder will ensure your meat comes out tender, juicy, and bursting with flavor. Here's a pro tip for you. Before cooking, simply moisten the surface of your meat with water.
then sprinkle on the seasoning, about 1 teaspoon per pound of meat.
Give it a good rub, puncture the meat with a fork, and you're ready to cook.
Trust me, your taste buds will thank you.
That's the taste of perfection right there.
Whether you're grilling, roasting, or frying, McCormick Culinary Seasoned Meat Tenderizer will elevate your dishes to new heights.
And the best part?
This seasoning comes in a generous 32-ounce container,
ensuring you'll have more than enough to last you through countless culinary adventures.
Plus, it's kosher certified, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your plate. So, if you're ready to take your meat dishes from ordinary to extraordinary, do yourself a favor and pick up a container of McCormick Culinary Seasoned Meat Tenderizer today. Your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy cooking!